Hi, my name is Bhakti Patel and this is my stall, and I have brought several series of charcoal on paper. This series is about Poonj of Gaon. This is particularly from Bastar district and from Chhattisgarh, India.
Right. So if we talk about this particularly this art form, how long you are doing this, creating this beautiful pieces?
I've been doing commercially since 5 years now, and I don't have any memory where I didn't had brush. So you can say since childhood I've been doing this.
Right. So if we talk about the recent portraits or your artwork, is it showcasing here?
Yes, so this is all different tribes of Bastar. This is Baisimhon Madia tribe, and you can, if you Google it, you can see live videos of them. So basically, we have this bison horn. It is real bison horn that they are wearing in as a headdresses, with cowries dangling and feathers above their head. This is their costume while they dance. It's like a celebration while Bastar Dashera happens. Okay.
Right.
This is also from Durwa tribe, one of the largest Adivasis of world. It's from there, and this is that traditional tattoos that had used to happen, Godana that is called. They still do it in their face in meaningful like this one. You know how they do? It's they take a needle and then they punch. It's not done with machine. It's manually needed in.
Right.
This is also one of the big pieces, and one of the main subject in this is hard work. And if you know pre-colonization period, people used to have normal saris wrapped around without any blouse or without any basic ornaments or aesthetics, as you can say.
Right.
So it's about that. Like, still we can see people without blouses and just living as is.
Okay. So if we talk about the final message that should go to the audience, what platform?
I feel this is my hometown I am speaking about. So if you don't bring out art without any message, then there is no point of it.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, start.
So hi, this is Textures by Hasi. As you can see, my art is all about fabrics and mixed media. This special piece represents the sunset with a hint of gold, which represents the sun. And this piece, this is my bestseller. So you can see that I love playing with fabrics and how tangled up the fabric is. And guess what? What is the name of this painting? Tangle.
Right. So if we talk about this art form for how long you are into this art?
I've been making texture art since 3 years. Yeah, and since I started painting when I was in the 7th standard, and since then I never left the paintbrush.
Right. If we, what is your recent art? It's showcasing here.
My recent artwork is actually this one. It's very different from every other art piece that I have right now. Yeah, it's full 3D, but still gives the most minimal and the eye-catching look.
Right. What message you should go to the audience to our platform?
Just keep painting, man. Just keep painting. Art is beautiful.
Thank you. Okay, start with your name and tell us about your art form.
Hi, my name is Gunjan Gupta. I'm an artist. I'm based out of Noida, but I ship pan India. This is my art. I do abstract textured artwork. All my art pieces are inspired by nature. The idea is to bring a piece of nature to your home, and whenever you sit with your artwork, you should feel good, you should feel calm, you should feel peaceful.
If we talk about your recent artwork, is it showcasing here?
Yes, let's talk about this one. Actually, it's a set of two. It's a diptych. So all the blocks, color blocks that you see, these are emotions, and there's a human figure, human face figure. So the idea is when we regulate different emotions, when we regulate different thoughts, the outside world, which is represented in this particular piece, the outside world kind of like gets super sorted, right? Because our thoughts, our reality control the outside world.
Okay, so if what should be the message to the audience to our platform?
I guess if you're an artist, keep creating. If you're not an artist, keep buying.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Start.
Yes. Hi, I'm a Dharmesh. I'm a 3D artist. Sculpting, mural and painting. मैंने 2019 से स्टार्ट किया था मेटल स्कल्पटिंग का और म्यूरल का. ठीक है. ये फाइबर बेस है. ये पूरा फाइबर बेस है. उस पे रस्टिक इफेक्ट डाला है. और ये मेटल स्ट्रक्चर है MS में, और उस पे ये पाउडर कोटिंग किया है. ये हम आउटडोर भी रख सकते हैं, इंडोर भी रख सकते हैं. इसमें ना जंग आएगा ना कुछ आएगा. ये पूरा सेफ है अगर बाहर रखा तो.
ओके. तो भी अगर बात करें तो आपने जब ये स्टार्ट किया था अपना ये आर्ट फॉर्म, तो इनमें से है कोई ऐसा पेंट या म्यूरल या कुछ कोई भी ऐसा आर्ट फॉर्म जो सबसे पहले आपने ये बनाया?
नहीं, सबसे पहले बनाया था वो तो नहीं है अभी. ये सब मेरे पास नए ही है.
ये सब नए?
हाँ, ये सब नए हैं.
ठीक है.
ओके.
तो अभी अगर इस एग्जीबिशन की बात करें तो क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं आप?
नहीं, एक्सेप्ट तो कर रहा हूँ. चेन तो बन रही है. थोड़ा फुटवर्क
ओके. अच्छा,
देखते हैं. अभी 2 दिन है.
अभी ऑडियंस की अगर बात करें तो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से क्या मैसेज जाएगा उनके लिए?
हाँ, जाएगा डेफिनेटली. मैसेज तो जाएगा. विजिटर आ रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, उनको अच्छा भी लग रहा है, रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा आ रहा है.
ऑलराइट, थैंक यू सर. Okay, ma'am, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Purvi Sirolia. I am working in the corporate world and alongside with my corporate responsibilities. I am following my passion as an artist, and I am into mixed media art, wherein I am exhibiting my art in Heart of Artwork. So,
Okay, if you talk about, have you ever been to any other expos or
Yeah,
exhibitions?
I have been to Pune Kala Spandan Art Exhibition, and I have sold 26 artworks till date in last 1 year.
So what are you showcasing today?
So it's a mix of multiple artworks. If you see, this is a 3D artwork. There are 2 of 3D artworks wherein I am presenting the 3D work with clay and embossed things. Then I have some vintage walls of artworks, which are these 3 prints. Then I have a misty leaves kind of thing, wherein if you are in the rain and you see the plants, it gives that visibility. And if you are into more on the prosperity and a spiritual thing, then this is the artwork which is for you, because it has cow and which is entering to the home of the gate, so that's a very prosperous thing. Then this is a abstract guitar work, which is again a work wherein you are too much into love of the guitar or music.
Right. So if you talk about these is art forms, right? So what are your expectations of this expo?
Expectation is I am expecting a lot of visitors plus a lot of conversion from my artwork. That is what I am expecting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, so my name is Arnesh. I'm from Genie Crafts. This is our stall. We do multimedia portraits. I've been doing this for the last 6 years or so. Basically making portraits from different materials.
Right. So if we talk about your portraits, what is the recent work that you had done?
So the most recent works are these string portraits. So these are portraits made on a blank canvas just out of 5 different colored strings, polyester threads. So just we weave the threads across the nails and we get the image. So we have put the source image also on each of the portraits just to show you that how good the image comes out when you make a portrait out of the threads.
That's right. So if you talk about this expo exhibition for the arts, how useful or how we can say it connects you to the audience.
I think one of the major reasons why we wanted to come to this expo was to tell everybody that art like this also exists, because a lot of people are not aware about this form of art, because this is very personalized and very unique form of art. For example, there is crystal portraits also. So basically you can make all these things for any picture, for your picture also. So that was the idea, basically to spread awareness. That was the main reason why we have come to this expo.
Okay, so what sort of message should go to the audience or platform?
So I think I would request everyone to come and visit. Beyond us, there are many other good artists here, and it would be really great if you come and support and visit us.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Suparna Banerjee. I am from Chennai. First of all, I would like to thank Heart of Art for giving me this opportunity, this platform to showcase my artwork. So I am a Kerala mural artist. This is, I have learned from one of my friends, and then I started connecting with the colors, the texture and with the God figure. It gives me too much of peace, and so it takes nearly 3 months to paint one piece of art, and every art have a story behind it. So first I look for the story and then start painting each
Right.
of them.
So if you talk about particularly this art form, I mean, the main idea that comes, what is the, what's the structure that's in your mind before creating these arts?
So from my childhood, I was always interested in painting and collecting different material, bring them together, and so I used to paint a lot of things. But somehow, after looking at this form of art, I got connected with this. So while painting, I get a lot of peace and patience. Mainly the patience, the concentration, all this increases due to this.
Right, that's important. So what sort of message should go to the audience through our platform?
I would like to say that if you want to increase your concentration level, which is nowadays, reels and all, for just few minutes, few seconds, you just scroll down. So this is the form of art which develops a lot of patience in you, and a lot of concentration comes.
Absolutely. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.